another example of what you want to create. Let's say you want to create, but you want to see your budgeted cost based on your WBS. All right, very simple. Just copy and paste it to avoid another formatting repetition. Change this to your the chart what you like actually you want to display. Okay, and based on that you want to make it based on your WBS name. Your access should be WBS name. Click and drag. Okay, and just what you want to show is your total budgeted cost. For example, add it in your values. You see this structure, foundation, HVAC. It's so simple. Just click and drag and drop. So your visualizations are ready. You want to add labels and show the numbers over here. Move to your paintbrush area. Add data labels. You see this? How simple it is to show the numbers and all. Just play around with this paintbrush area just to change the colors and the font size and make it as pleasing as you want. Choose the colors of your liking, and it is that simple. Okay.